Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the FitBeast Grip Strengthener Kit. If you're looking to level up your hand and forearm strength, you're in the right place. Let's start with the design. FitBeast brings you an ergonomic masterpiece that not only ensures a comfortable grip, but also minimizes fatigue during those intense workouts. And who doesn't want a reliable companion for their fitness journey? Now, let's talk portability. The compact design makes these hand grips easy to carry anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or hitting the gym, these grips are your on-the-go strength training buddies. Crafted from high-quality, non-slip rubber, they're durable and provide a secure hold for every exercise. Adjustability is the key, my friends. FitBeast allows you to customize the resistance level from beginner to advanced. It's perfect for progression and challenging yourself over time. Ideal for everyone, especially those recovering from hand or wrist injuries. It's like having your own personal rehabilitation coach. Now, let's talk versatility. These grips are not just for gym rats, they're suitable for various activities. Whether you're into strength training, rehabilitation, sports, or stress relief, FitBeast has got you covered. Musicians, office workers, and even our seasoned citizens can benefit from the wonders of hand grippers. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what some happy users have to say. They're not the most exciting things to use, but I've noticed a marked improvement in my grip strength after a few weeks of consistent use. FitBeast's Grip Strengthener Kit is a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about improving their grip. I play guitar, and it helps with strengthening my fingers individually and as a whole. The band is good for getting your hands used to pulling outwards. I believe this will help balance the muscles in my hands as I get older. Time well invested. And here's the cherry on top. FitBeast is not just about products, they're about commitment. If you ever have questions or need assistance, their after-sale customer service is available 24/7. Now, that's dedication to customer satisfaction. So, if you're ready to crush those grip goals, check out the FitBeast Grip Strengthener Kit. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, stay fit and fabulous.